What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing a very simple and short video today. We are replacing the cabin aircon fan. That's what it looks like, nothing special. And all that you need is a screwdriver. That is it. It's going to take you 10 minutes, hopefully at most, and that is it. So we're going to jump straight into it and show you how to do it. So all you have to do is remove the 3 screws that are shown, remove this plug, and then this hose. So first, remove the hose by pulling downwards and then outwards, then remove the plug, and finally the 3 screws. Then you can remove the fan just like so. And that is it. It's out, and oh yeah, look at that. Oh, if you can see, where's the camera? There it is. There's actually a circlip in there that has fallen out. So that's probably why my motor or something has burnt out inside of here. Something was rattling around and going crazy in here, so that's it. That's probably the cause. Something's come loose inside of it. But I've got another one anyway because it is only $55 from eBay, so we're going to pop that in. Now to put it back in, just locate the pins and push the new fan back into place, which can be quite fiddly to do. Then put the 3 screws in, the plug, and finally the hose. Okay, so just do a quick test run. We'll just fit the fan up. Sounds nice and smooth on number 1. Number 2, it's not working. But number 3 and number 4, it is. So while there was actually an issue with the fan, because it was rattling around and going crazy, there's still one other issue, and that is that I need to change the resistor over. I just don't have one. So I'll show you where it is. It's literally 2 screws and you replace it, that is it. I'll show you where it is, and that will fix this issue here. So I don't have number 2, but I have number 3 and number 4, and I've got number 1. So this is going to fix the issue, and that issue is right where that yellow plug is. Right there. So that's right, there's 2 screws holding this in. One you can see, the other is on the other side, and it is a real pain to get to. But all you have to do is undo those 2 screws, pop that plug out, pull that out, and you just replace that resistor. And that is it. That will fix your issue if ever you have lost control of number 1 and number 2 on the fan speed, but still keep number 3 and number 4. That'll fix it. So there you have it. That is how you change out this fan. And also if you are having the issue of losing the control of your fan speed as well, just to simply replace that resistor. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to pop a little like on there, comment, subscribe, you know the drill, and see you in the next video. That's it. I can't do it. Done.